that is one point that really bothers me and has been bothering me for the last few years is this concept of CSR. Many corporates, many of them have those. Think about corporate social responsibility. That's generally a very small program out of the major production that enterprise does. They do this one small thing and then they send their people to do their project. If you think about it, if they are sending somebody to do good on that one small thing, which could be 1% of the overall or even less, what are they doing 99% of the time? So there's this dilemma. 99% of the time, they're not really contributing to make this world a better place, to improve people's lives. And that 1% is just to cover up that hidden feeling of, oops, we're doing something wrong. The good thing now is people are moving on from CSR, going into CSV, which is corporate social value. That means the innate DNA of an enterprise now is to be purposeful, to produce something that is going to add value. It's not going to make this world a worse place than it was while making money. Making money is not the problem. Making money at any cost is a problem. And hence, this is very, very important for us to recognize and to bring it up to our leadership and to our boards and to the policies that why should a company operate if they're not really adding value to this globe?
Yes.